Okay, I am changing the battery in a Model 3 Performance. So it's just underneath the front thing. I don't know if you have to take the whole plastic assembly out. I just did, just to give myself some more space. But if you're wondering, there's one underneath this plastic, one bolt, two bolts. You pry this back, one on the other side, two bolts in the middle, two bolts in the front, and it pops off pretty easily. Kind of just pops off. And yeah, it's right there. They say you're supposed to disconnect the high voltage battery, so find out, you could probably find another video on YouTube on how to disconnect it. On these cars, they're underneath the rear seat, so you just pop up the rear seat and there should be a disconnect there if you're worried about the high voltage. But it's just a 12-volt system here, so this is kind of, just R&R. Take these two bolts out, that'll free up the space to get the battery out, disconnect the two connectors and hook everything back up, and you should be good to go. I don't know who previously replaced that. Maybe Atlas, maybe somebody on the comments has heard of Atlas. I've never heard of Atlas, so I'm gonna replace the battery with a decent quality one. The only ones that we found locally are from O'Reilly's, so maybe shop around and that's where you find it. But just want to make a short quick video on where to find the battery and quickly how to replace it if you're getting a 12-volt warning light, system light that says take it to Tesla. If you're just looking to replace the battery, it's not super difficult on these cars. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward as how they're kind of designed up here. You got your drive motor in the front, there's like a radiator, AC compressor, components, coolant lines, that sort of stuff. So yeah, I hope this video helps somebody quickly be able to figure out how to service their Tesla, or you could bring it to our shop and we can do it real quick for you. I think we might charge, maybe 2-3 tenths of an hour to replace it for you, plus the parts, so not too big of a deal. Anyways, thanks for watching. Till the next one.